Hi there guys, so we're going to see a two-stage pressure washing on a Mercedes ML and the results are absolutely fantastic. This is a car that hasn't been washed in some time or waxed, and we're going to use the Autoglym Polo Blast, which come recommended. Basically ensures a complete coverage of a foam blanket from here. We're just using 100ml of the product in the Lance bottle. Basically the 100ml, top it up with cold water, connect to your pressure washer and away you go. I'll take you through that process, and you'll also see me doing the second stage, which is the Autoglym Polo Seal, which gives you a protective hydrophobic coating, basically for a quick and easy high gloss finish. Really well impressed with that product as well. You'll also see me using the Bilt Auto Wheel Cleaner, which really does get into action, and you'll see the results later on in the video. Find this around £16–17 on the internet, and it's a litre bottle, and it goes a long way. I'm just capturing the calipers as well, because it really does get into the brake dust. Okay, so as you can see, it's really reacting against the brake dust. This is what we class as brake dust bleed with this particular product, Auto Wheel from Bilt. So don't be alarmed by it. That's the purpose of it. It's showing you that it's reacting. It's been on 10 minutes now, and we simply just blast it off with the power washer.